Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com. This week, an old friend of mine who I know from music, from being in bands in the past, posted on social media a picture of a painting he'd recently finished. And I was rather taken with this painting. I thought it was really good, and so I wrote a comment underneath saying, "Wow, that's amazing. I didn't know you painted." To which he responded, slightly modestly, I suspect, by saying, I dabble. As I said, in this case, I think it was probably a case of false modesty, putting himself down a little bit because he didn't want to show off. But if you say that you dabble in something or dabble with something, it basically means that you do it but not in a serious way. You're not committed. You haven't been doing it in a serious way for a long time. So you might hear examples like, yeah, when I was younger, I was a bit of a hippie and I dabbled in astrology and that kind of thing, but I grew out of it after a while. Or maybe you hear things like, yeah, when he was younger at university, he dabbled with radical left-wing politics, or he dabbled with right-wing politics. Not that you'd know it if you met him now. And maybe, like lots of other people, when you were younger, maybe when you were at university, you dabbled with drugs. You tried a few different things. You smoked a joint, you took some E, but you never got into it in a big, serious, addictive kind of way. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of things that you dabble in or dabble with, or have dabbled in or dabbled with.